The sun, continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran, in the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, by the sun and his midday brightness, by the moon which rises after him, by the day which reveals his splendor, by the night which veils him, by the heaven and him who built it, by the earth and him that spread it, by the soul and him that molded it and inspired it with knowledge of sin and piety. Blessed shall be the man who has kept it pure, and ruined he that has corrupted it. In their presumptuous pride, the people of Thamud denied their apostle when their arch sinner rose against him. Allah's apostle said, "This is Allah's own she-camel, let her drink." They disbelieved him and slaughtered her, and for that crime their Lord let loose his scourge upon them and razed their city to the ground. He did not fear the consequences. Now, it may be a dialectical thing, but I meant to say arc sinner. But again, these degrees of either side are focused on.